Here, ghost lady.
Oh my monster, thank you! I can't believe you would cheat on me with Ghost Lady!
Wait, zombie, calm down. Ghost lady just lost her necklace.
No, I don't want to hear your excuses!
No, wait, zombie. Oh, I need to get her back.
Don't worry, Frankenstein. I'll help you make a special Halloween bouquet using fake flowers and eyeballs. Paint them black. Next, we'll add sticky eyes. Place the eyes in the center of the flower. Once they all have eyes, put them into a vase with Halloween candy. Just give these to Zombie and she'll stop being mad at you.
Well, thank you, ghost lady. I hope this works. Zombie,
What do you want?
I promise, zombie, you're the only monster for me.
They're beautiful! I love them! Thank you so much, Frankenstein!
Do you forgive me, zombie?
Yes, of course, my Frankenstein!
I love this red drink. It's been 300 years since I've had it.
Wow, Vampire,
Hurry,
that's so
Frankenstein!
Zombie, what have you done? This drink took 100 years to make.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Vampire! Oh, let me make you a new Halloween drink! We need Sprite, Nerds, Gummy Eyes, and green food coloring. First, fill a cup halfway with Sprite. Add the green food coloring and mix it up. Now add Nerds. Fill the rest of the glass with ice. Finally, add the gummy eyeballs. Here you go, Vampire.
Whoa, it looks so cool, Zombie. And it tastes so good too. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. Oh, can you make one for me too?
Yeah, me too, me too.
Yeah, one for everyone. Ah, perfect.
No, I think this should go in a different spot.
No, give it back. No, I got it. No.
Ah, nice one, Zombie. Now we need a new light for the table.
We have this one.
Man, this candle doesn't even look like it's for Halloween.
Don't worry, I know what to do. To make this candle spooky, all we need is a red crayon. First, unwrap the crayon. For the next step, make sure to use parchment paper. Now carefully use a lighter to melt the tip of our crayon. Let it drip on the top of the candle. Now that the candle is ready, we can decorate it with skulls and bugs.
Wow, Zombie, this candle looks so much better. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Can we make more for the other tables?
Yeah, of course. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Waiter! I've been waiting for my Halloween soup for 30 minutes.
Oh, I've got it right here. I'm on my way. Oh no, my special Halloween bowl. How can I serve the soup now?
You spilled it all.
Are you serious?
Do I have to wait another 30 minutes?
No, it's okay. I'll go make some more right now. I can make a Halloween bowl out of a small pumpkin. First, cut off the top. Now that the top's off, I'll just scoop out the seeds with a spoon. Now pour the soup. Then add the skulls I made from potatoes. Okay, the soup's ready. I gotta go. Here we go. Halloween soup.
Oh, wow, Frankenstein. This looks amazing. Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, let's eat. Yeah, it looks delicious.
Hey, Zombie, I brought the donuts.
Ghost Lady, are you okay? No, the donuts.
These are the only Halloween donuts.
Don't worry, Ghost Lady. I know what to do. All we need to do is turn these regular donuts into Halloween donuts. First, we need the icing. Dip the donuts into the icing. Now, use candy eyes to decorate the donuts. You can use gummy eyes to make a giant eyeball. Place one in the center, then use red icing to draw the veins. See? Easy peasy.
Oh, my monster, these are better than the old ones. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Oh, let's finish setting up for the Halloween party.
Oh, yeah.
Woo, this party rocks.
Yeah, I can't believe we're the last ones.
Frankenstein! What do you guys think you're doing? I let you use my house for a party and you destroy everything?
It's only right now, Vampire. I promised we were gonna clean after.
Yeah.
All right, Frankenstein, you have 15 minutes or else.
Oh man.
Frankenstein, what are we gonna do? I'm so scared.
Don't worry, I have an idea. All we need is black paper and scissors. Fold the paper in half. Use a white pencil to draw a bat. Once you get your design, cut it out with scissors. Now that we have all the bats, we can use double-sided tape to stick them on the wall. Okay, they're all done. Vampire's gonna love it.
Oh, I hope you're right.
Frankenstein!
Oh, Vampire!
Your 15 minutes are up.
Yeah, we cleaned.
Yeah, look, we even decorated.
Oh my monster! I love bats! Thank you guys!
Oh, you're welcome.
Did you guys want to go grab food at Peanut Fangs?
Yeah.
Frankenstein, the vegetables are all shivered up. We can't serve this at the Halloween party.
Oh man. Oh wait, zombie, I know what to do. To keep the vegetables fresh, all we need are disposable gloves. First, fill the glove with water. Once you tie it up, just put it in the freezer. Now that they're frozen, we can put them on the vegetable tray. Okay, finished.
Wow, Frankenstein, that looks amazing.
Now the vegetables will stay fresh.
Okay, let's get back to the party.
Alright, let's go.
Hi, everyone.
Did you like our Halloween party hacks video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Ring the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.